Hey guys, we are off Highway 123 in Arkansas, and we're going to go check out Pam's Grotto. It's a pretty short hike, so it shouldn't take us too long to get there. And yeah, just hang out. We're going to go see what we can find and see what's happening. We just started the hike, and we've already came up on this really beautiful area. Hopefully you can be able to see around all the trees.
I'm hoping I don't get too nervous on this trail because it looks like it's just going to go up the side of the mountain.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's going up that way. So yeah, this ought to be interesting. I'm going to pan around so you guys can see this bluff behind us.
I think we're supposed to get up close to them or later on in the hike. Gotta love Arkansas, man.
No doubt.
Pure natural beauty.
It is. Love this state. We've been to quite a few other states, man, and by far, Arkansas is very beautiful.
It's an untapped resource for nature lovers, I'll put it that way. You love nature, outdoors, it's a state to be in. Oh, look off in there, babe. Little overhangs, and I bet you there's caves up in there.
Yeah, I would imagine there probably is.
Oh, look how these rocks have been formed. It looks like they're stacked up against each other like a bunch of dominoes.
I remember the day they came out here and they stacked all this up.
Why do you gotta be so dumb?
Because, man.
That's so dumb.
You should have been here.
Why do you say stuff like that? I could not with you.
Gotta keep it real, man.
All right, let's go.
Just trying to make it interesting.
That's not interesting.
Sometimes you gotta be a little dumb. I mean, look at you.
Hey.
That's why we're compatible. I say dumb stuff, and you just are the dumb stuff.
Really? I'm the smartest decision you ever made.
Yeah, I'm pretty fond of you. Ooh, look at that now. We're right here by it.
I know. I told you we were going to get up closer to it, I think, in the hike.
Yeah, cool. Look how high up it is compared to Kristina. Ooh.
There's water dripping from up there.
What is it?
Water dripping from up there. From
Yeah, you've never seen water dripping before? Man, this is really cool. Wow, it's really open here.
Yeah. Who needs Yosemite when you live someplace like this?
Yeah, for real.
I don't know though. I haven't been to Yosemite and I heard it's amazing. So that's all I'm feeling.
Right.
Huh?
Right?
Yeah.
Haven't been there yet. But
haven't done the whole California, Oregon, Washington. You got to save the best for last, man.
Right.
There's a lot to see in those states.
Or we can go there repeatedly when we're able to.
Yeah, but still the other side of the country. Unfortunately.
Right.
This is pretty.
Get up in there and sit down.
I know.
I bet you can fit.
Oh, I'm sure I can. See? It's its own little chair.
You have a chair?
I have a chair.
How long do you think it's going to take before that up there falls? Oh, over there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, God, I don't know. Not long. Look at that up above us. As long as it don't fall today.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're hoping. It does not fall today.
Yeah.
At least not in the next few minutes while we're walking through.
Right? Ooh.
Once we reached this point, the trail ended, and we had to cross all of these rocks in order to get into the grotto. And then, as you can see, Kristina's going back through to get back out, and we had to cross all of these rocks again. That's the only way to get in and back out. We forgot to turn our microphones back on, so we don't have any sound for a minute.
You can go on, babe. I'm
Okay.
coming.
Just don't want to go too far ahead because I know how these microphones glitch.
Yeah, it's all right. They don't come to hear us. They come to see all this natural beauty.
Yeah, I get it.
Of my beautiful home state. So, time for a corny dad joke.
You're gonna tell
Arkansas is so great because it's the only state in the Bible. Noah looked out the Arkansas. Ha 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 ha!
Oh my
goodness! Yeah.
Like
Woo!
everybody hasn't already heard that.
Hey, this state is so pretty. It literally could be the first thing he saw when he got off the boat. It's not, but just saying.
Yeah, this is why I keep her around. Y'all just thought that I was goofy. Some of the stuff I say.
I love corny dad jokes. They're the best. Can't even see in there. Ooh, just big dark holes. It
I
looks
wanted
like
to
on this
climb up
camera.
there, but it's a little taller than I can get my fat butt up into.
All right.
I love going exploring in places like that, though.
Yeah, I know. I'm sitting here doing this camera. I'm not used to doing this. And I keep trying to zoom in and zoom at different things. And then I turned that corner a minute ago looking out over the trees, like over on this side. And when I did it, the thought came in my head, roll that beautiful bean footage.
Oh my gosh. I really thought you were going to say something.
Oh, this is why he keeps me around, folks.
No, I try not to take her in
Because
public
I
too
am
much.
hilarious. Hilarious. You messed up giving me the camera. Whoa, that's a big dip right there.
What?
Sorry. My feet were like, oh, girl, watch where you're going. Pay attention to the camera and just walk. We don't want to go rolling down the hill.
I heard a leaf rolling down, and I thought it was you rolling down for a second.
I would sound a lot heavier than that.
It still made me turn around and look.
There's your little cave.
Yeah, I know. I really thought that was an actual cave.
It's a room.
Yeah, it's not a room.
It's not a room.
What I can see
that's a crevice.
From right here, when you go up in there, that's it. You can see the whole thing right here. I'm probably going to cut it from the video, but yeah, I went up in there earlier thinking it was an actual room because that's what she told me. I got the light on, went up in there, and that was it.
I'm little. I could fit in there like it's a room.
I'm trying not to go too far ahead of you because
you're good.
You usually walk in front of me, and so now I'm having to keep an eye on you because I'm afraid you're going to fall.
Really?
Yeah, because you don't pick up your feet when you walk, and I'm afraid you're going to fall.
Now, I've slipped on a rock when it was wet, but I have never actually fell. Knock on wood. Oh, it's a little tree. Knock on it. Okay, there we go. It was actually really busy today, but I kind of figured that because it's New Year's Day.
Yeah.
And like I said, the Arkansas State Parks here do something on New Year's Day. Basically, like, get fit, get out in nature. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of the state parks were doing these big hikes where they all get together and they go hiking on certain trails and stuff.
What highway is this again? I can't remember what we said.
I don't know if they can hear you. He asked what highway it was that we're off of. We're off of 123 going north, outside of, between Hagarville and Pelsor.
So anyway, reason I was wondering.
It's in Johnson County still, which I find that hard to believe because we're from Johnson County. And Johnson County seems far away. Way up there, hello.
So anyway, what I was saying is this highway, we were actually just told there are about 3 or 4 or more other sites where waterfalls are nearby where we're at.
Hall Creek Falls. Yeah. Which I knew that. I just didn't know how close they were. We found out they're like right off the road, basically. Well, Hall Creek is. It was busy though when we came in the parking lot. I think I'm going to come back and do that on a day that's not a holiday.
It would probably be kind of cool to go around and try to see how many of the falls in this area we can see in one day.
Yeah. Do like a whole waterfall trip.
Yeah, it's been done. I'm sure it's probably played out, but we've never done it.
I know. He walked away. He's saying it's probably already been done. It's played out. But we haven't done it.
She doesn't get the concept of microphones. She thinks y'all can't hear me, and I'm not going that far in front of her.
You're pretty far away.
She's not used to doing this either. I usually am the one filming while she walks 2 miles away from me.
I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised by my beautiful bean footage.
Oh my God.
I think I'm doing amazing. I like rocks, as y'all can tell. I'm like, look at these rocks. Did you see that rock? Look at this rock. Rock. Look at that rock behind Adam. Rock.
Come on.
Yeah, I know.
Goofy.
People would say, yeah, you love rocks because you're a crackhead.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, my jokes. Come back, people. Come back to my channel just for the jokes. Just for the jokes.
Keep your jokes on your own videos. Speaking of her videos, guys, we do 2 videos a week.
These trees. Nothing.
If she'll quit talking over me, I'll say what I'm saying. Yeah.
Say it.
Like I was saying, we do 2 videos a week, usually posting. We will post on Tuesdays her videos of going flea marketing and unpacking her stuff. And then on Thursdays, we try to post like our outdoor stuff and us just going out in nature and doing goofy stuff and being ourselves. When the camera starts rolling on her unboxing videos, she comes alive and starts being a whole different person. And she's like, hey, oh and all this stuff. Yeah.
I'm pausing it now. Nobody needs to hear you try to impersonate me. It's not good at all. I don't sound nothing like that.
So it's paused now?
Sound like
Yeah,
Sloth off the Goonies. Hey, you guys! I'm just playing. Hey, but I do like these adventures we do because this is the Goonie kid in me. I love exploring. You know, Goonies was my favorite movie growing up. I
can see the road down there.
You know, Generation X.
Oh, that's not the road. That's that great big tree fell over that we had to cross.
I'm pause it because we're going to be going downhill and there ain't nothing to see past this point. So...
Here's that tree I thought was the road from way up there.
You thought the tree was a road?
Yeah, I saw it from way up there, and I'm like, oh, I see the road. And then I realized, oh, yeah, that's that tree laying across
Boulder in the middle of nowhere. Like, I'm wondering how far it had to, like, roll down. Or is it a part of the mountain? I don't know. It's just like a boulder in the middle of nowhere.
And it looks like once it hit, it broke into sections. It's been a really long time ago, though. All right, so we're in Dover, Arkansas, and we just came up on a flea market off the side of the road, and y'all know how we are. We can't resist a good flea market, especially when we've never been in before. So we're going to go in, look around. This flea market's called Granny Lee's, if you're ever here. So we'll put the name in the description because it's not spelled like you would think.
No.
So anyhow, we're going to go check it out, and we'll show y'all what we get in a little bit.
Let's see. Oh, what is this? It's a little too much carnival glass. Carnival glass is good, but there's no... I got a little too much. Yeah, too much on that. 20% off though, so 3, 6, yeah.
Hey, here's these candlesticks. There's a pair of them. I don't know if they're together or if they're separate.
Separate.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, here's some more too.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay.
So, oh, that's heavy.
Is that a good deal?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know much about it. It's pink though.
Yeah, you love that color.
I know. I love pink. It is pink.
There's some Christmas dishes.
Huh?
Right there on your left. I mean, you're right. Whatever way I point. Christmas dishes, plates and stuff.
Oh, I don't see it.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
See what I'm talking about now?
Too much on that one.
Over here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's different.
Oh, God. I'm going to get this.
You think so?
Sure, though. Yeah. I'm thinking about it.
Okay.
No, me in pink.
No.
I really like it, but I don't know. I think I'm going to.
Okay.
Let's see, because already 12. 12 And then, yeah. Oh. Milk glass. Too much of it. Oh. Yeah, she knew what she had. Valuable. That's a Goldilocks. It's highly valuable. They're really collectible. These are really sought after.
She's got some really nice stuff
Yeah,
in
she
here.
does. I love this. Yeah. That's Gobles. That cake stand is gorgeous. Yeah. Still a little too pricey for me. Nice stuff, but
Yeah.
not enough meat on the bone for me.
And that's the name of the game.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So we're going to show y'all what we got.
What I got.
What she got, yeah, because, you know, I don't really know. No, I didn't, because I didn't see anything in there worth of crap. But she knows more about this stuff than I do, so I'm going to let her tell you all about it.
So this is my first piece. This is a pink depression glass bowl. I've got to do research on it to find out like the maker and all that. It was a good deal. They had a 25% off in their booth, so what I paid for it, I can double my price. So this is the first thing. We didn't get too much today because, you know, we just were stopping by after a hike today, so we only got a few things. This is Leonard silver plate. It's a tray. It does have the mark on the back. You can't see it from here. I'm going to have to clean this up real good. It's got a lot of tarnish, but I think that's going to shine up real nice. Silver always is a really big resale item to buy. The next pieces are these crystal vases. It was a pair, and they were like marked almost like more than half off. They were originally $9 a piece, and I'm not going to tell you what I paid for them, but it's less than half. Or I paid, yeah, it's less than $5. Let's put it like that. Those are cute. I got to do some research on it. I'm not quite sure. I mean, for all I know, these are just like some, you know, FTD bases or something. Oh my luck. All right. And yes, I know this is one of my favorite pieces that I found. Too. It's heavy. It's really heavy. It's very deceiving how heavy
and it's pink.
And it's pink. And I got a pink bowl. So if I don't sell this, I have no problem keeping it because we all know I love pink. But my pink stuff, it sells really well. I guess I'm not the only one that likes pink.
Which is very fortunate for me, because if not, we would have a whole house full
of nothing but
a ton of pink junk that we don't need.
Yeah, because I have pink Pyrex too that y'all have not seen, because, well, I will not sell my pink Pyrex because that's my Pyrex. But that's all we have for today. So
anyway, guys, if she'll let me interrupt now, since she's constantly interrupting me.
Oh, you can find this stuff on arpeddlerwagon.etsy.com. All right, go ahead, talk.
All right, guys. So, yeah, like us, subscribe to us. Let us know how dumb we are, whatever.
Yeah, you're very dumb.
Oh, shut up. And so, anyway, yeah, we will catch you on another. And in the meantime, check out whichever way we decide to put this. Check out one of our other videos. All right.